How to use Pinterest for affiliate marketing. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be giving you a tutorial on how to use Pinterest.com for affiliate marketing, where you can promote your affiliate links for free and you will be able to make sales and earn your commission. So let's get into it. First of all, what you need to do is you're going to go to Pinterest.com. We know that Pinterest is an amazing platform. It's a social media and also works as a search engine where we can search anything. We have different photos and pins available that we can add to our boards, and we get a lot of different products here. We get a lot of the different inspirations to go for. So Pinterest is actually a really good way to promote affiliate links, because on Pinterest, the visitors are actually our potential buyers, and they are actually our customers that can make a sale. So for that, it's a very good platform to sell products and to sell our affiliate products. Now, you have a Pinterest account. If you do not have any, you can create one using your email address and you can set up a username and an account. So you have Pinterest. Now, what you need to do is you're going to go to any of your affiliate programs. So for me, I'll go to digistore24.com. Digistore24 is an online sales platform that offers you an integrated online store and an affiliate network. So on Digistore, we have a lot of different, products to go for. We have our marketplace from where we choose our product and get our link. So I'll simply sign in and get to the marketplace. So here we have the marketplace for our affiliate products. Now, we have different types of products that we can go for. We have animals and pets, we have bedding systems, dance and music, education, email marketing, fashion, fitness and health, food and drink. So there are different types of product that do pretty well when it comes to affiliate marketing, and the products have a high commission. For instance, this one right here, it's a keto meal plan, and you can see it has 85% commission. So the earnings are going to be around about $29.55. So this is actually a pretty good product, but you can go for any of the products from, your niche. For me, I actually go for our food and drink or fitness and health. So I'm just going to go to right here. Once you get here, we will get a lot of different products. So I'm going to actually go with the first one, which is the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan. Now, this is my product. I'll get all the information. You can choose product from your program. Now, I will click on Promote Now, and it takes me to my affiliate link where I will be able to get the link for my product. Now I have the link. We'll get back to Pinterest. How it works on Pinterest is you simply need to go to the Create option here and click on Create Pin. So we need to create a pin on Pinterest where we will be able to embed our landing page link or our destination link for the product that we have. Most of the time we do have a sales page, so we can add a link here. We need to create a pin that is attractive and that attracts the eye of the audience. And the pin is not a simple pin. We need to create something. For instance, let me actually quickly give you an example. For instance, I search for fitness products, and here we have the results. Now you can see, now this is a pin which is actually showcasing some of the products. Then we have this keto meal here, which has a link. Then we have something like this, and then we have something like this. You can see, I want to create an attractive pin with a text and some of the information about the keto meal plan. So you can see we'll create something like this. So we'll go to our create pin. We need to create a pin here. For that, we can use Canva.com. Canva.com is an online designing tool that allows you to create any kind of logo. You can create presentations and much, much more. So Canva is completely free as well. So what we will do is we'll go to Canva.com, and now we can search for Pinterest here. So we'll just search for Pinterest pin and we'll create a blank pin. Or we can use a template. So we can see we have a lot of different templates. This is actually something I want to create. Now you can see we have this one here, we have this here. Okay. For an affiliate link, you will create something like how to promote your affiliate link. You can see this is like a guide. Then we have this one. You can sell your softwares like this. You can sell your guides, your planners by creating pins like this. What I will do is I'll actually go to this one right here and customize it. So here we have the pin. I'm just going to actually make it a little bigger. There it is. We'll change the color a little bit. So what I want to do is the background color is pink. Let's change this color to red, and it will look like this. And we're going to change the image here. what I suggest is going to the sales page of your product that you have selected on your program. So, what you need to do is you'll actually go to the sales page of this product and you can get the image. This is what I will suggest. But for me, we can also upload our media to our Canva. So, I'm just going to go to the upload section here and upload an image quickly. So, we have added this image and now we will change the text. And for the text, again, we're going to go with the ultimate keto meal plan. Perfect. So, we'll go here and we'll change it. So this is what it says now. And at the bottom here, now you can see it has a link. This is where I will add my affiliate link. Now, the affiliate links sometimes are pretty long. What you can do is you can go to bit.ly.com and you can shorten your link first and then you can add it right here. So for me, I'll just simply, copy my link from here and paste it right here on my pin as well, text on my pin as well. And then we will also customize the text on our a pin that we're creating on Pinterest. So we can just go to the body text and enter any kind of link here. For instance, www.ketomealplan.com, and I'll just place the link here at the bottom. We can also design it a little bit. I'm going to change the design, and on red, I'm going to go with a little darker shade like this. So this looks perfect. You can see this is a link that people will click on Pinterest. You can see right here, it looks pretty good. And this is the kind of pin we actually see on Pinterest a lot of the time. So what I will do now is I'll click on the share option and click on download. Once the pin is downloaded as PNG, we can go back to our Pinterest. On our Pinterest, we need to drag and drop or upload an image. So we'll upload the image that we just downloaded. So you can see right here, I have added the image on my Pinterest and this is what it looks like. It looks pretty good. Now we need to enter a title. So the title is again going to be the title for my product that we have here. And this is where we will enter a description. So what I like to do is get the description from here. You can see you will get the description within your sales page. So you can get it from here and paste it on Pinterest. After that, you can add some alt text. Now, alt text are really important if you want your pin to land on the first page and it works with the SEO. So you will enter the alt text and this is the destination link. This is where I'll copy and paste the link for my product that we got. Once it's added, you just click on upload and save. You will select the board as well and your new pin will be created on Pinterest, which is a pin to promote your affiliate product. This way you can promote your affiliate links for free using Pinterest. Go to pinterest.com, sign up for free, get your link, and you will be able to create a pin like this. You can use Canva, which is also a free tool, and this way you will be able to earn your maximum commission and make money. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.